Have you ever had a chance to use a set of noise-canceling headphones? Welcome to the Hippie Geeks. Let's take a look at the Tozo HT2 headphones, see if they work for me, and if they will possibly work for you. I have been using a set of noise-canceling Bluetooth headphones for years now, and they have been slowly dying for the last 6 months or so. When Tozo reached out to see if we wanted to take a look at their HT2 unit, I jumped at the chance as I really do need a replacement. Let's take a look at what comes in the box and then use them for a couple of weeks and see how I feel about them after that. They come in a very solid box, and you know how much I love good packaging. The first thing you will find is a packet that is going to have your instruction manual, which I am going to immediately set aside and ignore. There is a little box tucked in next to the headphones themselves, which has a pair of color-matched cords. One is going to be your usual audio jack adapter, and the other is a USB-A to USB-C adapter. After that, all you need to do is pull the protective plastic off of the headphones themselves, and we can take a look at them. They sent me over the khaki version of the unit, but it actually comes in 8 different colors, and it is really nice to have the different options available. They feel very sturdy in the hand without being super heavy, and the ear pads are nice and cushy. With all of that said, let's take a look at the controls and ports that are on the right side of the unit. On the far left, you can see the power button that will turn the headphones on and off, along with the light that will show you if they are on, and what the pairing status is if you are using them wirelessly. Next to that are the volume controls, and these get pretty loud without being obnoxious. Next to that is the headphone port, which you can use to listen to these headphones if you don't want to use them as a Bluetooth set. Up next is the USB-C port, and this is how you will charge the headphones. A nice touch is that you plug these into your computer with the USB cable. You can also listen to the headphones that way, as they include a basic USB to headphone adapter so that your computer will automatically recognize it as an audio device. Finally, the last button controls the noise canceling functionality, going from noise canceling on to noise canceling off to pass through and then back again. Now that we have covered all of that, let's go ahead and use them for a few weeks and see how I feel about them. Here we are several weeks later, and I have been using these headphones daily while I work. I am no audiophile, but I really like the way they sound. There is no distortion at any volume level, and the bass is punchy without being annoying or muddy. I was initially worried about how they would feel on my head after a full day of work, but they have been surprisingly comfortable even after a full 16 hours of wearing them. The battery life has been one of the most surprising parts, and they just keep going. I have just been plugging them in at the end of the day when I remember to, which is about every 2 to 3 days, and I have never had a low battery warning yet. They have honestly just been great, and the best part about them that I haven't even mentioned yet is the price. If you click on the link to their website in the video description down below, you will see that they are currently selling for $49.99, and there is a coupon code right on the page that will save you another $10, which brings the price down to $39.99. My previous headphones that died cost me $150 when I bought them a couple of years ago, and I feel the Tozo HT2 headphones sound just as good as those did and have been working just as well.